Part of what I did was also go back and see when our employees, when their longevity was. Sammy was on the payroll that I could find from 2003 to 2012.
What were you able to tell about what was going on, or what was the arrangement with Mr. Garland?
There was nothing in the personnel file. There were no contracts. There were no even handwritten anything.
Were you able to make any determination of his pay rate or hours or anything of that nature by looking at his personnel file?
In his personnel file, no.
Were you able to determine that through some other means?
Yes.
And can you explain that to the jury, please?
Part of what I inherited in 2011 was a huge debt for the Boys and Girls Club. And part of what I did was analyze staff as one of the biggest parts of that. So analyze staff, analyzed...
if he worked, say, 1 week 4 days or 5 days, and some weeks worked 7 days, what would his end pay be from 1 week to the next, regardless of the hours?
It was still the gross of $360.
And defense has brought up Eric Sewell. At any time, do you have any knowledge that Eric Sewell ever had authority to act for the Boys Club as far as authorizing payments or authorizing checks?
He was the interim director, and he would have submitted the hours to me, but as far as anything else, he was not, as to my knowledge, was not allowed to make any decisions.
Projects like the Boys and Girls Club that went on 5 to 6 days a week.
Are you talking about that we send out inmates to
Yes.
every day? Parks and Rec utilize the inmates.
Excuse me, Parks and Rec is part of the city of Johnson City.
Correct.
Boys and Clubs Club, no, okay.
So you're just talking about nonprofits. Good Samaritans Ministries utilizes the inmates 6 days a week.
And did they send someone to pick someone up?
Yes.
Okay.
They have 3 individuals that have went through the training.
Nobody from the jail was going anywhere 5 to 6 days a week for 2 hours a day and getting paid by the city to do it work.
Correct. Nobody has.
In fact, you think that wouldn't be proper to be on city payroll and be doing it that much of the time?
No, that's not.